My name is Greg Wright. I'm a reliability engineer with the open pit maintenance team at Haile Gold Mine. Primary responsibilities focus on equipment health and forecasting for planned maintenance around things like oil analysis and equipment alerts. So the remote monitoring service has provided value for the drill maintenance team by sending diagnosis instructions. That has helped us in work order writing or in training technicians. It's helped with differential diagnosis, eliminating potential false paths and speeding up some of the repairs that we have to do. It benefits the planning team by speeding up some of their work order writing process, and it benefits the execution team with the instructions given. It allows the technician to take a very specific instruction set to the piece of equipment to try and diagnose the issue, and not have to go through a lengthy manual in order to get to the root of the problem, unless if more is found. So since implementing RMS, there's a lot more regular communication between Sandvik, remote monitoring service, and their team, and our maintenance execution group. Also, the planners and the reliability group are getting improved information on a more regular basis as well. When some of those more urgent alarms have popped up, there's been pretty rapid communication from the RMS team. The improvement we see is when the RMS team notifies us of an issue, and either our technicians or Sandvik technicians go in and follow up. We get pretty regular communications from the RMS team, reaching out, and also not just sending in information and leaving it. They often follow up to see how their input was utilized on site and how they can improve. It's definitely a tool that I look forward to using more to help run down any frequent issues or recurring issues and how we can try to eliminate them.